Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. Today you have focus group discussion for meeting 4. The discussion skill is in clarifying or clarification. Practicing clarifying or clarification is not the easy one because you have concentrate more related with your friend's opinion, whether you agree or not. Okay, number 1, how to express lack of understanding. If you do not understand about your friend's opinion, you may have a question or you may have some clarifications expression like I beg your pardon. You may add I beg your pardon please. When you ask this expression, so your friend should clarify what they said before. For example, I think Indonesia is a big country because blah 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 blah, and then you may ask I beg your pardon. So you have to clarify what you said before. I said that Indonesia is a big country, for example, and so on. And the other expression like I beg your pardon, but I don't quite understand. I'm not quite sure I know what you mean, or I'm not quite sure I follow you, and the other ones. It is when you want to ask about lack of understanding and your friends wants to clarify the idea what he said before. How you ask for clarification? For example, what do you mean by Indonesia is a big country? What do you mean by Kediri is a big city? Can you give me an example? Do you mean, could you say that again, please? So when the end of the expression is question mark, so your intonation should be like a question also. What do you mean by? Do you mean? Could you say that again, please? And the other ones. When you want to clarify one's point or idea, you may say that, let me explain that Indonesia is a big country. We can see from the sources, natural sources. We have so many natural sources like blah 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 and so on. Let me explain that in more detail. Indonesia is a really big country because let me put it in another way and the other expression. Please practice those expressions. Okay. So, in this point, you want to ask about how to express lack of understanding, how you ask for clarification, and of course, to clarify the idea before you can say clarifying one's point or idea. Let me explain that, and so on. Practice. There are some topics here. Number 1 is friends and family. So everybody should raise the idea of friends and family. After N, hobbies and free time, food and drink. At least you take 3 topics. Yeah, 3 ideas, 3 topics. Food and drink, work, studies, hometown. So you have 3 topics at least in your focus group discussion. Okay guys, so please practice about clarifying how to clarify and how to ask clarification. It is very important in the real discussion, seminar or international conference to clarify the idea from the speakers. So there are some formal expression, not in like English for conversation. This is a very formal expression to ask. This is academic one. So you can practice it when you have like the real seminar or conference. Thank you very much.